Alright, back like I never left. Flyer speed tutorial. Y'all put on y'all seatbelts. We about to make it happen, man. BWA out of Mansfield, Louisiana hit me up to make this Big Boogie Flyer, and I was more than excited, more than elated to get onto it. Alright, this is my second one making for them. And hey, man, they liked the first one, and I know that the fam really gonna like this second one too. But y'all just stay tuned. I'ma kick back, and I ain't gonna say nothing, and y'all just vibe out. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool and you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, field. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, let's drag and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Just gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act safe. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27 he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granted justice and Crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your stuff. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5 or you go play a sport. Can't represent the house if you out on that field. If you forget your place, you might turn to Emmett Till. Watch them legislate to execute my brothers that they kill. Got me talking about my problems as a way for me to heal. I went looking for a Beverly when I went to the hills, but I came back with a diamond and a couple dollar bills. Now they got me saying, oh yeah, don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, dark clouds in the air. If you don't know the game, then they ain't playing fair. Still selling false hope to you cause they don't care.
I remember being so naive. Back when life was compared to good weather and palm trees. Back in those days, you were everything that I thought that I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. You really played me for a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Cause you know they say there's a thin line between love and hate.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care.
shoes on the cruise. Country granny played the blues on the stools. Head wrap silky chewing on this oxtail. Scheming on a milli trying to hit the yacht sail. Gold shining lobster near the Everglade music. When we drop it's like you never made music. Better days never came easy to a quitter. Ain't no pump faking, let them see that I deliver. God body, baby, big 7 in the skin. Probably why you never hear no better again. Higher than the spot that we bout to set the bar. Stankin', smell it before it left the jar. I just left the coast straight to another ocean. Got excuses, me, I'm really having motion. Sipping on mimosa, chopping real estate game. 40 years later, still the same lane. Just left the hood, never heard of you. 30 long years, not a single word of you. Shop booming, baby, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been busy having motion. Just left the town, ain't spoke to you. You a L7, probably served to you. Shop still booming, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been really having motion. Boy, stop playing, this is not your lane. Never seen struggle, you do not know pain. Stop playing, would you be yourself? How they see you, how you see yourself. Ain't real, acting real fictitious. Family on the west probably still hit switches. Playing Sally Cell, brought the thumper in the car. I been down in Austin burning rubber down Lamar. Keep what you earn, put it back in the business. Gold mouth shorty spinning racks at the dentist. One stream need a whole 7 ways. That weaker than a whole 7 days. I've been playing chess, working on the left brain. Buzzing in my city way before the press came. Went and bought a now he think he less lame. Got the kind of gas that could fuel a jet plane. Just left the hood, never heard of you. 30 long years, not a single word of you. Shop booming, baby, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been busy having motion. Just left the town, ain't spoke to you. You a L7, probably served to you. Shop still booming, come and get it while it's open. I don't have time, I've been really having motion. Y'all know what time it is. Jerry, what up? Lords of the land. Ain't got no minutes for you, internet. We really outdoors with it. Till infinity. And we out.
They was praying that I fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. In the still west side, Pasadena, never finna fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. In the still west side, Pasadena.
Are you niggas just some fans, huh? Ay, really got a plan, huh? But coming to some paper, you won't even lift your man up. I'm coming off the dribble, it's simple, I make them stand up. Come from where they sagging, now luxury, hold my pants up, I'm nasty. Nigga, you should ask me. Best about the city, ask my daughter why she dabbing. Niggas got my name in their mouth while they songs in the drought. I know it's hard to get out, you should be closing your mouth. I told them only time would tell. They craving for attention, guess these niggas didn't know me well. I say nada, don't reply unless it's about $1. Oh well, okay, ha 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 ha. All these local ass niggas, just some local niggas. I'm doing shows overseas, they don't know you niggas. Hey, check the wristwatch, that's a rolly nigga. Really making mine off rap, I'm the only nigga.
Fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. In the still west side, Pasadena, never finna fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. And it's still west side, Pasadena.
I'm the one from the pink house on Lost Robles. Wasn't shooting, man, we really got it off the shoulders. And that's for real. And ever since they took away money, been in my fields. I really started grinding and winning, got me a deal. And now I'm paid up. The times that we was down, guess it been made up. Started doing numbers, now these little niggas hate us. So what? Set the bar so high that they can't touch. Really think it's jealousy, they mad that they ain't us. Hey, but fuck that shit, man, I'm Dina Race. We'll set a blaze, and I don't give a fuck that you feel away. Word, how you niggas feel the worst way to kill a day. Focus on my paper, got direct deposit on the way. But hey, y'all can have the best in the city. I'm the best out this motherfucker, say it with me. Hey, y'all can have the best in the city. I'm the best out this motherfucker, say it with me.
Fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena, never finna fall off. Stood 10 toes, never fall, young nigga finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena.
Yeah, look. I pity that step to me though. Flow too clean, I'm bite by new tuxedos. Been this shit since 9 later, popping and buying hot Cheetos. The free throw, easy. Please believe me, baby. Bought a Tesla, bought a Rolex watch, and I ain't dreaming, baby. Scheming, maybe. Dina raised me. Really from the section with them killers, drug dealers, thug. Never got a help from pops, they need some love. Liquor messing out the pain, so pull up, nigga, not too far from it. Everything I done seen and done it. Late night running, hitting houses and police cuffing. We ain't have nothing. House was cold, we were open oven. Now we eating good, just hold ice, let's put buns in oven. Bakeries linked up with Quentin and started making cheese. Sushi overseas, the server she speaking Japanese. Flights to Paris, I'm at the Louvre to see Mona Lisa. Got a Sonata with ripped seats and oil leaks. Kicking shit like Messi, lil' Nick, you shouldn't test me. Right so good, just started working on my lefty. I'll be climbing up the charts if these niggas let me. Getting everything that's mine, I'm charging levies. Relaxing, man, I stay in action. Natural believer got me feeling like Imagine Dragons. 2017, I quit my job because it had to happen. Make my daughter proud, look at me, this your daddy rapping. Ooh.
Let me hear that back. I just said that ain't nobody else in the studio but me. I record myself, and I make the beat.